Welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on some illustrations. Here you can see some samples I did in my little sketchbook lately. I really like the avocados, beets. What else is there? Oh, eggplant. That's one of my favorites. I used a little bit of sparkle on there too. And some lettuce. You know, you never can go wrong with lettuce. I really like the color combinations. So this is the newest illustration I did for my cookbook. This is a salad, just all the different vegetables I toss in there. It was done on watercolor paper with brush pens, watercolor brush pens. They were a little tricky to use on there, so I think I'm going to use regular paper for them next time. I tried to put a border around it. You were wondering why there is no video on how I painted this. Because when I recorded it, it was all blurry, and I tried to adjust it, but because my eyesight is really bad, I couldn't fix it. So when I was finished and looked at it, it was all blurry. This is why. There is no footage of the process. Sorry. So I'm trying to put a border around, as you can see, and the pens I used are really fine point pens. I don't know what size they were. They were from the dollar store. It didn't work too well on the watercolor paper, so that was a little bit of a problem. They worked fine, just drawing with them, but not putting the border on. But you know, part of it probably was my fault too. But next time, I gotta use either different paper or different pens, maybe thicker ones. I really had fun doing this though, but again, I just probably would use regular paper, sketch paper, than watercolor paper. But if I use next time, I'm going to try regular watercolors. We'll see how that works on the paper. It might be a little better. I do like how easy it is just to use the watercolor pens, because you don't need any. You only have the pens, you don't need a brush and the watercolor and figuring out how to. Get stuff out. Maybe I need to do some designs or just camouflage this problem of mine here.
Nail it. Wow.
Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and ring the little bell for notifications for next videos. See you later.